Let's look at Polygon today. Before us, we have examples to look for the unknown angle. And so, first of all, let's know some of the things, key formulas we need to know to help us solve any problem relating to polygons. As we all know, a polygon is a plane shape bounded with at least three straight lines. Could be a triangle, which is a three straight line, a quadrilateral, a pentagon, a hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon, and etc. Okay, and so let's see some of the formula that we need to know to enable us see. This is an example of a polygon. Okay, don't mind the number of sides, it could be as many. Okay, and so from here, I want to bring out the formula to calculate the interior angle of a polygon. Interior angle of a polygon. So how do we get that? I say sum of interior angle of a polygon is equals to when you sum all the angle together and you will get it. So from here, I represent it with y, y1, y2, y3 to infinity. Okay. So the sum of interior angle like this is equivalent to n minus 2 bracket 180. Okay. Sum of this angle like y1, y2 plus y3 plus y4 and plus as many as y that you may have is equals to n minus 2 bracket 180. N means the number of sides. Like this, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the sum of the interior angle? When you put your n to be 5 and simplify it, whatever you have is the sum angle in a pentagon. Okay? And so that what you find in some of the textbook, you can see it in a contents form, like it could be 2n minus 4 all in bracket 90 degree. It's still the same thing. If you factorize it out, you will still go back to the original formula, which is n minus 2 bracket 180. Okay, and so another thing we need to look at is the exterior angle. Okay, from here, let me extend this line. Assuming it is extended. Okay, it could be x1, x2, x3, x4, and xn. Okay, when you have it like this, you now have x1, which is exterior angle sum. Okay, sum of exterior angle of a polygon equals x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus dash 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 could be plus xn. Okay, so what you have is 360 as the sum of the exterior angle. Okay, so when you add x1, x2, all the sides of the angle, the exterior angle together, it will give you 360. And so that is what you need to know. Okay, so whenever you are asked to calculate the exterior angle or some of the exterior angle and you are given everything, just add them together and equate it to 360. Also, you also need to know that interior angle plus exterior angle is equals to 180. Reason, you can see it, x1 plus this angle on a straight line. So when you add them, it should give you what? 180. It's a simple formula, okay? So don't make it difficult. So another thing we need to look for is number of sides. How do we arrive at the number of sides of a polygon? Okay, number of sides of a polygon equals 360 degree all over exterior angle. Okay, exterior angle. 360 degree divided by exterior angle. That is all the formula we need to know. Just know that number of sides is equals to 360 all over exterior angle, and interior plus exterior is equals 180. The sum of the exterior angle of a polygon is what? Is 360. Okay, so like I said, we also have regular and irregular polygon. A polygon which has equal interior angle is called a regular polygon, and if the interior angles are not the same, you can term it as irregular polygon. Okay, let's deal with our example. Like here, from here you can count the number of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is what? A hexagon. Okay, and so if you want to add everything, we make sure it gives us the sum of interior angle of a hexagon. And so we have D plus 3D plus 130 degree plus 130 degree plus 120 degree plus 140 degree equals n minus 2 bracket 180. What is our n? N is 6, because we said it's what? A hexagon, a 6-sided polygon. So once we calculate this together, we have D plus 3D, we have 4D plus 130 plus 130 plus 120 plus 140 will give us what? What do we arrive at? 130 plus 130 plus 120 plus 140. We have 520 degree. Okay, is equals to, our n now is 6 minus 2. Remember that formula, sum of interior angles of a polygon. Okay, and therefore we have 4D plus 520 equals 4 multiplied by 180. Okay, and 4 multiplied by 180 is 720. Okay, 720. So our 4D equals 720 minus degree minus 520 degree. And so if you subtract it, you have your 4D to be what? 200 degree. Your D now is 200 degree divided by 4, which will give you 50 degree. And that solves the value for D. Okay, and so we also have another question which asks us to calculate the interior angles of a regular 15-sided polygon. Okay, interior angle of a regular 15-sided polygon. So interior angle, what are the interior angle? We now have sum of interior angle is equals to what? N minus 2 bracket 120, 180 degree. And so Our n is 15. 15 minus 2 bracket 180 degree. So we have 13 multiplied by 180 degree. So what is 13? 13 times 180 is 2000. 2340 degree. That is the sum of interior angle of the polygon. Okay, of the polygon. So let's calculate each interior angle. Each interior angle now, each interior angle, because it is a regular polygon, interior angle is 2340 degree divided by what? The number of sides. The number of sides. So when you divide it, you divide 2340 divided by 15. You have 156 degree. And so that solves the problem. Calculate the interior angles. So each of them is 156 degree. Okay. So it's as simple as ABCD. So let's do this last one. We have a regular polygon has interior angle of 160 degree. How many sides does it have? So we said number of sides equals 360 all over what? Exterior angle. Okay, so we have interior already, and there is a formula connecting interior and exterior. So we have interior plus xt is equals to 180. So, and interior is given to be 160 degree plus exterior is equals to 180. Okay, so our exterior angle is equals to 180 degree minus 160 degree, which will give you to be 20 degree. Exterior angle is equals to 20 degree. Okay, it's 20 degree. So number of side is equals 360 degree divided by 20. So 360 degree divided by 20 will give you how many? 18. So we have the number of sides to be 18 side polygon. Okay, so we have 18 as the answer. So when you look at it, go over it again, play it as many times as you can, then you will understand better. See you in the next video.